Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Upgrade Credit Score Monitoring, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Upgrade website. Look for the Credit Score Monitoring section on the homepage. Click on the Get Started button. You will be redirected to the Sign Up page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Click on the Continue button. Enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Provide your address details as requested. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to accept them. Click on the Next button to proceed. You may need to verify your identity through a series of questions. Answer the identity verification questions accurately. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll reach the Payment Information section. Input your payment details for the Credit Score Monitoring service. Review your subscription details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Submit button to complete your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Follow the link in the email to activate your service. Log into your Upgrade account to access your credit score monitoring dashboard. Explore the features available to help you manage your credit score effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.